Alright, this is a quick video showing how to repair some EPO foam with just using regular CA glue. This is, this isn't marketed as foam safe. It's just your normal CA glue, and it turns out with EPO foam, the regular CA doesn't eat away the foam, so you can glue it. Other kinds of foam, this glue will eat, so if you're not sure, you should test on a small sample just to make sure. So what I'm going to do for this repair, it's just going to be a quick little repair. This is an Eflite F16 wing, and this missile on the wingtip broke off, so first just going to remove it, and I'm going to use just a single toothpick just to help reinforce the joint a little bit. So first thing I'm going to do is poke that through, kind of give it a hole to go into, like that, and do the same thing on the other side. We'll try and line it up here and make sure we have a good fit. So make sure it's roughly about straight. There we go. Now that that's set there, on one side of this, I'm going to get it slightly damp. I have some water here. So what I'm going to actually do is just get this slightly wet. CA does like to have some moisture for it to cure, and foam's pretty dry, so we're just going to add a little bit on this side. And this other side is where I'm going to remove this toothpick real quick, and I'm going to first drop a little CA just in that hole, and put the toothpick back in. And for this other piece, I'm going to add CA along the foam here, a little up here, just a little bit on the Q-tip, or on the toothpick. And then we're going to take that, line it up, push together, and within a few seconds, it's CA, it just takes a few seconds for it to set up. Does take a little longer here with foam. If you had kicker, that would work. That would get it going real fast. So just holding in position here until I'm sure it's on there. Let's see. Let's start inspecting it. So okay, there we go. Quick little repair on this missile, just using regular CA on EPO foam. And as you can tell, it's not it's not melting or eating away the foam. It's holding on to there now. So, all right. Well, thank you for watching.